Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, y'all, it's Winning Wednesdays here in the DZ fam. I see these other YouTubers trying to get online and stream. I see these YouTubers trying to come back after all this time. Of course they want to come back. Of course they want to come back while price is going up. But who held it down while price was going down? Who held it down? Who held it down? You got to look at people's actions. Actions speak louder than words. If these YouTubers didn't stay the whole time, don't watch them. Don't listen to some person trying to make a cash grab right now. A lot of YouTubers trying to make a cash grab, come back after hiatus, come back after months and years of not making any types of videos or content. They're trying to come back now because price is going back up. Trying to hop back on the wave. Man, we ain't finna let them get away like that. We ain't forget what you did. You abandoned us. We ain't forget. Market is open, market is open, market is open, market is open. Yeah, of course they just want a quick bag, bro. I just wish people would wake up, man. I just wish people would wake up. and hold these people accountable. I'm tired of people like Adam Aaron, these YouTubers that come back all of a sudden. I'm tired of these people getting away with this type of stuff. People need to call these people out, man. And even if I was on some bullshit, you need to call me out. Like, people need to be held accountable for their actions nowadays. AMC, guys, honestly, I'm expecting some pullback because we do have a major attack. 200,000 shares available to short AMC. I'm expecting us to retest 450. And it looks like that's what we're doing right now, retesting 450. We have a gap fill to the upside. We have a gap fill to the upside here, right here, at about 475. All right. The champ is here. 450 retest as predicted. 450 retest as predicted. Let's go. I'm your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. It's FOMC minutes today. Plus NVIDIA earnings. Shit about to get real today, y'all. Hopefully you guys are ready. MACD curling up, MACD curling up. 1 minute time frame, MACD curling up. Looks like SQQQ is the only thing green right now. When you got the best job in the world, I got the best job in the world. GameStop retesting 2150 as support bullish. GameStop retesting 2150 as support bullish. What the nonsense is this? SPY retesting 531.50 as resistance bearish. Hey, we got 280 people in the building. 280 people. I need everyone to press that like button. Who just gave me a super? Who just gave me a super? AK something like for the community. AK moderator, long time follower. I appreciate you, dude. AK in the building. BNED sounds like another distraction. AMC and GME are the only things that I know. Hey, it is Winning Wednesdays. Winning Wednesdays, y'all. Are you ready? We have FOMC minutes and NVIDIA earnings today. The market is either going to pump or dump, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be huge. This is going to be a massive, massive, massive day. We have NVIDIA earnings on top of FOMC minutes. FOMC minutes is at 2 p.m. The video earnings is in after hours. Buy more, make more. Buy more, make more. Buy more, make more. GameStop holding 2150 bullish. GameStop holding 2150 bullish. AMC holding 450 bullish. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want to help the channel out. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want to help the channel out. Hit that like button and subscribe to help the channel out. Hit the like button and subscribe. We got 300 people in the building right now. 300 people in the building. AMC getting a bounce. AMC getting a bounce. Holding 450. AMC getting a bounce. Got 294 people in the building right now. GameStop holding that 2150 level bullish. AMC getting a pop to the upside towards 460. Remember, if we break $5 and hold that level, AMC is going to start popping off. Yeah, not too many short shares, so we're not worried at all. Only 250,000 available to short for GameStop and 250,000 to short for AMC. Not worried at all. Cost to borrow starting to go back up because they got all of the shorts. They tried to dump it yesterday and they couldn't. So that made cost to borrow go up because they got that 4 million short shares. Cost to borrow sitting at 4.66%. Cost to borrow for GameStop sitting at 4.82%. Want to see that cost to borrow start to go back up. GME losing 2150. GME losing 2150. GME losing 2150. GME losing 2150. This is important. We need to hold 2150 GME. We need to hold 2150 GME. AMC bouncing off of 450 is extremely bullish. AMC trying to bounce off 450 is extremely bullish. I've been the man, I've been had the band. Chopper on me, man, I've been Afghanistan. Bitch, I've been had the bands. Ben had the bands. Chopper on me, Ben Afghanistan. Will SPY crash or will SPY pump? That is the question for today. NVDA earnings plus FOMC is going to make a huge move in the market, ladies and gentlemen. You need to be prepared. You could get your face ripped off if you make the wrong decision. This is a gamble. You must be prepared. You guys need to stop watching all those distractions, man. They're literally distracting you and taking the money away from AMC and GME for a reason. Anthony, some people trade using emotions and some people trade, unfortunately, they listen to YouTubers or other decisions, and if you're not confident in your trade, you really need to do more research. Yeah, if I could get everyone to hit the like button right now, that'd be amazing. I need every single person to hit that like button. We got 310 people in here, man. Can we hit that like button? You can't beat the apes. On our side. Got the Lord on our side. Money on our side. We ride. AMC holding key levels of a 457. AMC holding key levels of 457. GameStop pulling back slightly. Trying to remain above the key level of 2150. GameStop has support at 2110. I would say 2115, 2115, 2115. Amy has a gap fill to the upside. You guys see it right here? It's at 475. Amy 475 gap fill. If I can see it on the 5-minute, I'll mark it. Nah, I can't. So I'm gonna. The highest time frame I can see it on is the 1 minute. So it's not that big of a gap. Still a gap, but not that big of a gap. Why is NASDAQ the only thing green right now? Of course this thing drifts to the upside, making no sense. Red MACD, but still going up. Red MACD on the 2 hour. Still going up, though. Nah, it's all good. We're starting to lose momentum. RSI 78. That's not good. I think the market almost has nowhere to go but down. If the market gets another pump right now, RSI is gonna literally go to 90. Almost the market has nowhere to go but down. RSI will go to 90 on the 4 hour time frame. Has it ever been that high? Let's find out. Yeah, it's been pretty high before. RSI would literally go to 90 though if we get another pump from FOMC and NVDA earnings. This is crazy. RSI overbought daily time frame. Unsustainable rallies. The market can never just do anything correctly, bro. This market's so wonky, bro. Just do a normal run up where you stair step your way up. That way RSI doesn't go so out of control. Bitcoin holding 69.2K as support, bullish. Well, I guess this all counted because I did have a price target of 3,600 for Ethereum, and Ethereum hit 3,800. So my trade played out. This falling wedge played out. Everything played out. Price target hit. So this works, and my Bitcoin macro prediction worked as well, making me a little bit of money. Just a tiny bit. I need more money. Ooh, 4 hour MACD in green. Ooh, yeah. AMC and GME just got 4 hour MACD in green, and this is the first time since the squeeze, the last squeeze we had, that we had green MACD on the 4 hour time frame. These stocks are bottoming and they will continue up, not financial advice. Meme stocks are bottoming and they will continue up, not financial advice. We just got green MACD for the first time on the 4 hour time frame since this squeeze move here. And since this squeeze move here, MACD has been red on the 4 hour time frame. And now we finally have green MACD. This is bullish. SPY just printed a sell signal 30-minute time frame. That's not good. Yep, it's following. It's following. It's following the. It's following. It's following. It's following. It's following. Guys! AMC is following the boars! This is it. I found it. Look at this. You have this bounce. The bounce fails. Then you get this rounded bounce. That leads to a capitulation. That leads to a bounce. And I told you guys yesterday, this is where we were on the fractal. Now, this is what's happening. You get this pop to the upside. That fails. You come immediately down. You get a rounded bounce. That rounded bounce also fails to a capitulation before a bigger bounce. Now, look what's happening here on the smaller time frames. Let's zoom in. Okay, now pay attention. Now pay attention. Here's where you come up, you fail, you get that rounded bounce. That also fails, which leads to a capitulation, which will probably take us down to like 435, which leads us to a bounce. You rally up, you fail. That failure gets a bounce. That bounce leads to a capitulation, which leads to a bigger bounce. We rally up, we failed. That leads to a rounded bounce that capitulates. That capitulation leads to a bigger bounce. Ladies and gentlemen, if we bounce, if we pull back and then bounce, we are following the fractal of the 2021 massive short squeeze that we've seen on AMC stock. Options trader with the dub. LFGBNED is a distraction and FFIE is a distraction. I respect all of you guys, but listen, hear me out, man. Melissa in the building. Hear me out, bro. Yeah, this is it. I've seen it. I've seen this fractal. I've seen this fractal so many times. I've seen this fractal so many times. I've seen AMC do this so many times. This is the shark fin. That shark fin leads to a fall. This fall is going to lead to a bounce. And we should bounce. We should bounce higher than, so we should bounce higher than $5.12. If this fractal is correct, we should bounce to about $5. After we come down to like 438, 450, around that range, we should bounce to about $5 if the fractal is correct. So I'm not worried at all. I'm just patiently waiting my time. Everyone make $1 million. I need everyone to make $1 million. This segment here is 100% this segment here. Because first you squeeze, you come all the way back down, you make a rounded move, you bounce up, you hook, that hook goes like this, that hook bounces, that comes down, then you consolidate, and then you squeeze. This is this. So what comes next is a move down, a slight move down, and then we should bounce over $5. Not financial advice. I'll tell you what, if we bounce to $5 or higher, we know for a fact the fractal is in effect, and I'm gonna make shit ton of money. Because I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna make a shit ton. I need to compress the algo though. I need to do this all on the 5-minute time frame. Brother, I'm from Los Angeles, so we start super early. And man, I love this channel. Great community and videos. When you speak loud in the speaker, it makes my day. Wakes me up. Let's go. I appreciate you, Sev. It must be hard being in California, bro. Because, like, well, first of all, the prices are crazy. But second of all, you have to wake up at like 4 o'clock in the morning to play the market, don't you? I got it sweet over here on the East Coast, baby. I don't have to wake up till 9:30. I wake up at like 7:30, 8 o'clock sometimes. 8:30 sometimes. Late, bro. I get to sleep in. I got the best job in the fucking world. I appreciate the super chat, dude. I can't make this small enough, though. I need to make this smaller. Damn it. Bro, this is definitely that, bro. Check it out. If we go into an uptrend, this is 100% the case, guys. If AMC bounces and we see AMC go higher than this previous top here, so if AMC bounces and we see it go higher than the previous high, because notice on the bars pattern, when we get this hook shape, what happens? So we get this U that fails, and then you get like a bounce that also fails, that leads to a bigger bounce. Okay? This is where we're at on AMC. You come up, that rally fails. You get a rounded bounce. Now, if we see us come higher than this previous high, that is in fact, for sure, we're following the fractal. So we need to go higher than $5.10. And that's how we'll know for sure if this is really the fractal. If AMC goes higher than $5.10, we know for a fact. We know for a fact. Look, you even had the little spikes during the during this rounded part right here. You have two spikes. You have a spike here and you have a spike here. Well, here's that same rounded part. And look, you have a spike here and you have a spike here. Right here's that same spike. On that rounded segment. And here's that same rounded segment with the two spikes. That leads to a top. Right there, there's your top. And that top capitulates to lead to a bigger top. So this top's going to capitulate, and that should lead to a bigger top. So AMC should bounce between today and tomorrow. So by the end of the week, we should be at $5. Not financial advice. If the fractal is tracking, today's Wednesday, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The 3 days should be enough. If we're in this segment here, the 3 days should be enough that we should be at least $5. By the third day, by Friday, I think that should be enough candles to play out the rest of the fractal. And AMC is indeed bouncing. GameStop is back above 2150. GameStop is using 2150 as support. MACD curling up. These stocks are both bullish. Both of these stocks are bullish. AMC is about to go up and GME is about to go back up. AMC and Genie about to go back up. It's very clear. It's not even a question. I'm not concerned at all. They're about to go back up. MACD curling right now. AMC bouncing off 450. GameStop bouncing off 2150. This is bullish. Options Trader with the dub. Thank you, Options Trader, for the $1.99. I appreciate it. You need to do a GME MOAS roadmap, which is out there. First of all, Options Trader, I just want to let you know that I am the original creator of the MOAS roadmap. So any other MOAS roadmap imitations out there, your boy was the original. Just so you know. We got 391 people in the building, almost 400 people in the building. Can we get some likes? I think if we could get some likes on the video, we'll get 400 people. Hit the like button, hit the like button. I think if we get a little bit more likes, we'll get 400 people. Chat rate of 10. And a little bit higher chat rate too. Thank you guys for the super chats, man. You guys have been incredible. Thank you for the super chats. Thank you. You guys are addicted to gains. I'm addicted to super chats, okay? It's all your guys' fault anyways. If you guys wouldn't have given me so many super chats, I wouldn't have got addicted to super chats. Now your boy's addicted. I love seeing that little, whatever, all the colors on the comment section. He got the keys. I'm the cat lady? Damn. Pam said she's the cat lady. Yo, DZ, you the GOAT. You can call me the man, dog. You can call me the man. The man with the plan. The man with the man plan. I got the tools in the world in my hand. I got the keys. DZ. Set me free. Please. I'm on the I'm just trying my best, y'all. I really am. This is just all my own research and due diligence. I'm just trying my very best. Hopefully you guys are enjoying what you're seeing here. Welcome to the DZ live stream. Welcome to the DZ live stream. Bitcoin got a boom boom candle. Bitcoin got a boom boom candle. Bitcoin back above 70K. Ethereum at $3,700. VIX slightly elevated. VIX slightly elevated green for the day. Oh shit. The BlackRock Bitcoin ETF is breaking out of the bull flag. BlackRock ETF is finna do something stupid. Repairman, man. SPY needs to break above 531.50 to be bullish. SPY has to break above 531.50. If not, might have some bearish action here. SPY had trouble breaking above this support yesterday, after hours, and pre-market. It all retested it and failed all 4 times. So SPY might be moving down here, guys, from what I'm seeing. Now just remember, that you could get your face ripped off if FOMC or NVDA makes it pump. We got 388 people in the building. So if there are other people streaming live right now, how many views? Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to help out the channel. Hit that like button and subscribe to help out the channel. Type in AMC Live in YouTube and see what comes up. When you type in AMC stock live, what's the first thing that comes up when you guys type that in? Is it your boy? Yeah, share this stream. It will help out. Share the stream. What? I had to scroll view to find you. Matt Kors and TMI pop up first for some reason. That sucks. When are they gonna let me be first? I think I deserve it, man. I don't know. You guys let me know if I deserve it. Will NVIDIA affect AMC? If the market pumps, I don't think that will be necessarily the best thing. I don't think we'll see any direct movements, but I don't want the market to pump. We really want the market to start pulling back AMC and GME holders. You want that liquidity to start raining in, margin calls start coming in. We want to see these blue chips come down, but it doesn't seem like that's going to be happening just yet. NVIDIA, if NVIDIA does well on earnings, it will break $1,000. If NVIDIA does well on earnings, it will break $1,000. It's right here at that resistance. There's a major resistance here. I marked it in yellow. It's right here on that level of resistance. If NVIDIA does well on earnings, it's going to go like 15-20% to the upside, and go probably to about $1,000 if it does well on earnings. If it doesn't do well on earnings, I would expect it to go to about the 800 level. If it does not do well, 800, 880, around that level. There's a lot of support. There's also a lot of demand around that 800 to 880 level. So that's what I would be looking at for NVIDIA. So if we dump, you could see a move down to like 880, 850. If we pump, you could see a move to about 1,000. The charts right now, rising wedge. These are all bearish things, multiple gaps to the downside. Also, something else disturbing for NVIDIA. You can see that volume is really topped out here, and it's been on an overall downtrend. You guys can see that volume is trending down. Not good. Overall, the charts are saying that this stock is overvalued. But right now, with the AI mania and stuff, you could see a pop to the upside if we do get a good earnings. They're going to have to give really good forward guidance because of all of the hype around this stock. I remember when I was talking about NVIDIA when it was only 200, 300 bucks. It was like 250, 300. And I remember that buy signal I put in the Discord right around these levels here before it broke out. I was saying, hey, NVIDIA looks like it's going to make a rally. And then it did this. I never would have thought it when it went to $800, $900 though. I was talking about it at about 200 bucks, 250. I put out a buy signal in the Discord around 250. Way back down here.
Classic on the track, boy.
NVIDIA has to split its stock. It's too high. Nobody's gonna be buying stock at $1,000 a share. What retail person is gonna be buying that? It's all gonna be all institutions only. This is exactly the same fractal. Look, you guys can see right here. You pump, you come down and you bounce, and then you fall lower. You pump, you come down, you bounce, you fall lower. You get a rounded bottom that leads to that like shark fin. You pump, you come down, you pump, you go lower. You get a rounded bottom that leads to the shark fin. Shark fin leads to a failure, which leads to a bounce. I'm expecting AMC to bounce around 432, 450, and that should take us to the upside. Not financial advice. And if this fractal is correct, it will take us to the upside. So if this fractal is correct, we will bounce around 432, 450. And we should bounce to the upside if the fractal is going to continue to play out. If this fractal continues to play out and we do bounce, I might have to go all in. If we get to like this point here, like if we're at like this segment here in the fractal and I see that it's tracking, I might have to go all in. Not financial advice. If we make it this far and we're still tracking, I'm going all in. AMC's still off of the lows. %9 right now. And then on top of all that, the fact that AMC rallied and is at a higher level and hasn't come all the way back down. First of all, a pump and dump. If this was a pump and dump, AMC would be back at $2.30 or lower. The fact that we are still elevated is extremely critical. And that is exactly what happened last time we had a second squeeze. AMC pumped up. It remained elevated and pumped up again. I also find it highly ironic that, did I say erotic? Highly ironic that we're dealing with the same exact prices that we have dealt with before. So if you guys go ahead and check out the levels that we were dealing with, look at what resistance and support was before, 536. Look at what support is now. Or support and resistance is now. It's the same. If you go to 530, you'll see resistance. It's like the same levels. Right here's 448. We were dealing with the $4 levels. We came out of the $4 level, coming up to that $5 range. We're dealing with roughly the same levels, if not the same levels, that we need to break out and conquer. We were coming out of that $4 range, moving up into that $5 level. And that's literally what we're trying to do right now. Come out of that $4 range, move to that $5 level. This hook should come down and then get a bounce. It comes down roughly, we might come down to 432 because that's where it comes down to on the fractal. We come down to the same level for support. So that same level would be that 430. It would be 432. That where we find support. Because this comes down to the same level. So it should be 432 where we get the bounce. 450, 432. I think it might be 450, but we're breaking 450 right now. So we need to see. If we go to 432, don't be surprised. And then 432 is where we should see a bounce. So if AMC goes to 432, don't be surprised at all. Because that's exactly what's supposed to happen. It's supposed to go to around 432 and then bounce. We're actually supposed to pull back here and then we'll bounce. This is where we're supposed to pull back. So basically we get our bounce that fails, and that's where we're at now. That bounce that fails, that failure leads us down to 432. That should give us a bounce. And then you get that pop to the upside. That pop fails. You get a bounce that's lower. That fails, but then you bounce. Pop to the upside, that fails. You get a bounce, but the bounce is lower. Then you get a higher bounce. So that's what I think is happening for AMC right now. And AMC will come down to like 432 and then bounce. We should get a decent bounce off of that level. And if the fractal will continue to track, we're going to bounce to $5 or higher. And if we start calling this like we did on the Moash roadmap, it's going to be crazy. Because last time I had the Moash roadmap was right around this time too. and I started calling the price every single day. I said AMC is gonna go to this price. Yo, it was crazy. I got so many views too. I was like, AMC is gonna go to. I was basically calling the lows and the highs for the day. I was like, AMC is gonna come down to 425 and then bounce to 525. And lo and behold, on the day, it would tank to 4 and then go up to 5, like I said. So if we start getting that again, oh my goodness, yo, we're gonna be dialed in, y'all. The MOAS roadmap had us so dialed in for like 2 weeks straight. We were dialed in, literally knowing every high and every low. It was insane. I never ever was that dialed in on a stock. And it was AMC. We were dialed in. I was literally like, okay, AMC is going to go to a low of boom, boom, boom. And I would say the low and then to a high of boom, boom, boom. And it would track on point. So I'm gonna try to get dialed in again, y'all. I'm gonna try to get dialed in. See if we can get this MOAS roadmap fine-tuned. And see if we can't get our MOAS roadmap back. Start calling out the prices again. We got 384 people in the building. 384 people in the building. Make sure you guys press that like button. Make sure you guys press that like button. Make sure you guys press that like button. Like and subscribe to help the channel out. Support the channel for absolutely free. Mike R. Mike R with the 5 and a member with the gold badge. Mike R, I appreciate you, my dude. You are the man, bro. SPY's gonna be really kind of like stagnant until FOMC. FOMC and NVIDIA earnings are gonna be. This is gonna be insane, y'all. We have FOMC and NVIDIA earnings. NVIDIA is like 5% of. It's like NVIDIA is like the 5th largest, like the 5th biggest amount of holdings in the S&P 500, and it's like number 1 in Nasdaq, like as QQQ. NVIDIA is like number 1 in QQQ and like 5th or 3rd in S&P 500. It is going to move the markets in a big way. On top of all that, NVIDIA is one of the stocks causing this rally, causing the bull run. Like the U.S. stock market basically depends on NVIDIA staying up. If NVIDIA goes down, the market will crash. If NVIDIA goes up, the market will pump. And we have FOMC minutes and NVIDIA earnings all in one day. GameStop finding support at that 21.15 level, 21.15. The lowest you want to see GameStop go is $20. You don't want to see GameStop break below $20. Being up in this 21 range keeps us safe. Ultimately, you want to see GameStop break $30. If GameStop can break and hold $30, you're going to see a massive pump to the upside. After $30 is where things get crazy. That's why last time, once GameStop broke 30, notice what happened here on the chart. GameStop broke 20. Yeah, we got to move. But once GameStop broke 30, look what happened. Boom. 30 is the place we need to be. Tyrone! Thank you for the dub, Tyrone. Thank you for the dub. Truly appreciate it, my dude. Truly appreciate it. Tyrone H in the building. I appreciate you now and later. You dig? Now and laters. SPY right now getting some bearishness. MACD red. I think this is the exact shape. This is the exact same shape. The question is, are we in the hook? Are we still in... No, I think we're in the hook. And that hook fails, and then we bounce. Look at the similarities. Ladies and gentlemen, if we bounce and make a higher low, so we should make a higher low than our wick down. What's the wick down? So we should absolutely make a higher low than 418 if this is correct. We should 100% make a higher low than 418. So this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for to know if we're going to continue to track and to know if we are 100% in the fractal / bar pattern, aka bars pattern. If we make a higher low than 418, that's confirmation. So when we get our bounce, we're about to come down. When we get our bounce, it has to be a higher low than 418. And the bounce should go as high as $5 at least. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for AMC to come down. Higher low than 418. And then at least come to $5. So we're looking for some type of movement like this. Come down to 432. Bounce. And then come back down. So we should know by the end of this week. Because it's Wednesday, Thursday. We should know by the end of this week. Because we should at least come down and make that bottom. And start to bounce. Depending on how the speed is on the algo. But it seems like it's moving really fast because this happened in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. It's like really fast. Anytime you see AMC rally up and then stay elevated, you should be hyped. Because that's what happens before it squeezes. If you look here, AMC did the same thing. It squeezed up and it never came back down to its original levels. It consolidated, and that consolidation led to a bigger squeeze. Back before we had the reverse split, when they stopped it, we had an after hours move. There was an after hours move on AMC where it ran 100%. It literally did the same thing. This was the MOAS roadmap. Squeezed up. This was right before the reverse split when we were about to have another short squeeze, but Adam Aaron ruined it with the reverse split. We squeezed up in after hours. We came back down, and this happened in after hours, the same as this time. We squeezed up in after hours, 100% plus. We came back down, but we didn't come all the way back down to the original levels. We stayed elevated. Now look what's happening now. We squeezed back up in after hours, and we never came back down. We are remaining elevated. Ladies and gentlemen, if we continue on this path, you will see a second larger squeeze on AMC. Not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. You must make your own decisions. You must make your own decisions. But if we remain elevated and do not come back down to the original prices of $2.80, $2.90, around that range, if we stay elevated in this $4 range, $3 range, I believe you will see a second larger rally on AMC stock, which could potentially take AMC ironically up to, this would take AMC right around the gap fills at $37 to $43. Not financial advice. You would at least fill all of the gaps up till 24. All of these gaps could get filled. Gaps get filled. We did the same thing back here. We squeezed up in after hours. We came back down, but we remained elevated from our previous levels. Here was the levels before. We always come back down and use that range as support. You trade in a range. If I were to draw a line right here, you could see the range. Right here's the range. You trade in the range. Then you squeeze up and you come back down, but you use the range as support. Then we had the reverse split. Adam Aaron ruined the squeeze. But if you look what's happening right now, that's the same thing. We had a range. Right here's that range. We squeezed up. We're using that previous range as support. And that also happened as well in 2021. We squeezed up. Here's our previous range. We squeezed up. We used that previous range as support. And that led, using that previous range of support, led to a bigger move. And I can even put the chart back before the reverse split. I can show you that. Here's the chart back to normal when 72 was the high. $72 is the high right now. You can see we use that range. We squeeze up. We come back down. We use that previous range of support, which leads to a bigger squeeze. Here's the reverse. Here's last time that happened. We squeezed up. Here's the range. We squeezed up. We come back down. We use the previous range of support. We were about to have another squeeze. But Adam Aaron had the reverse split. That's why I had the MOAS roadmap, which was tracking 100% until Adam Aaron did the reverse split. Now we have a new potential MOAS roadmap that is tracking. And we have no reverse split on the horizon. I don't know about you guys, but I'm hyped. I'm hyped. This is all my own research and due diligence. Please do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock or crypto asset and or derivative. Please, you must do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock or crypto asset. I am not worried at all. If we see AMC get a bounce and move to the upside, we know for a fact this fractal is in play. If we stay above $4.18, we know for a fact this fractal is in play. If we see AMC bounce up to $5, we know this fractal is in play. At least you know the truth, Danny Lamb. Thank you for the dub. I appreciate you, dude. I really do. Got my super chat fix for today. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. I hope Adam Aaron won't ruin it. I don't think so, brother. Well, you guys must have been putting in work because we now have 419 people in the building. 147 likes. Make sure you guys press that like button and subscribe. Press that like button and subscribe to help support the channel for absolutely free. Press that like button and subscribe. Hey. Bitcoin back over 70K bullish. Bitcoin back over 70K bullish. Run it back. Pockets fat like a running back. I'm counting stacks. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think Adam Aaron's plan is to ruin the MOS this time? I think we're not going to get the MOS ruined. Right now we have Red MACD, and I plan on AMC coming down to like 432. As long as we stay higher than 418, fractals in play. It's tropical trapping. Hit the like for reactions. Let's go, baby. What type of plans you got? A lot. Make plans for the summer. So if the fractal continues, I will start to give a possible date. Again, this is not going to be a for sure date, but I will give a potential range for when we could see the move. If you want me to give a potential range for the move for AMC and GME, if you want me to give you price targets, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Tune in. We might have potential price targets and time frames for when we could see the move. Hit that like button and subscribe. Especially if I get this dialed in. If anyone was around when we had the Morris roadmap, you will remember when I was calling the price for AMC, the highs and the lows, how dialed in we were. You will remember. And if we get that back, we are going to be able to call the top with precision. We'll be able to call the top with precision. All right, AMC trying to break back above 450. AMC trying to break back above 450 right now, using it as resistance. Red MACD will probably come down. I'm expecting AMC to come down today. I'm expecting AMC to come down today. Not worried at all. We are not worried at all. I'm expecting AMC to come down today. 432 is where we're looking for, and then we want to see a bounce from that level. This is exactly what we're expecting. I just talked about the failure of the move of the rally. Remember, guys, we get a spike. Then we get a hump. That hump fails, which takes us down to that 432 range where we get a bounce. It should be around 432, 445, around that range. We should get a bounce based off the fractal. 432, 445, around that range. We should be seeing a bounce, which will lead us to at least $5 if I am correct. Right now, we just retested 445. Let's see how this goes. The bounce should be a decent bounce too, a rapid bounce. It should be a rapid bounce to the upside. We're expecting it to come down and get a rapid bounce is what we're looking for here. All right, right now, AMC just hovering on that 450, guys. If we can break back above 450, that is bullish. But right now, the MACD is very red. We do have green MACD on the 1 minute time frame. GameStop still holding $20 is bullish. GameStop actually coming back towards 2150 is even more bullish. SPY breaking back above 531.17. It's going to come up for the 531.50 retest. Most likely, SPY will come up for the 531.50 retest. Looks like Bitcoin got a bullish pump. FOMC at 2 o'clock, guys. FOMC at 2 o'clock. It's going to get wild. It's going to get wild. And then we have NVDA earnings on top of it. Things are going to get crazy. Guys and girls, it's going to get crazy. It's going to get crazy, y'all. Ironically, hold on, time out. There's buy orders at $4 and $4.48. I swear, if there's buy orders at $4.32, I quit. Right here's buy orders, all the way to $4.34. There's buy orders all in this area. They know, bruh. They know, bro. They know. They know. They know. They know, bruh. I'm tripping, maybe. I don't know. I don't know, man. Take it for what you will. Not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Take it for what you will, y'all. I think somebody knows something. I think somebody knows something. Somebody knows something because institutions are taking part of this. If you think institutions aren't playing in this, you got another thing coming, bro, because institutions are taking part of this. I can prove it, but you can tell just by the volume as well. And some of the buy orders, it was mass amount of money. But I will give you more proof. I'll try to find more proof. I know that institutions are buying right now. I'm not going to have... Did I do this right? It's not going to have what I need, though. Yeah, it's not going to have this month. Look at this options chain. Look at the $5. Oh, that's implied. Most of the action is at $5, 5.24s. What about put side? What about puts? $4 puts. $4 puts. A lot of $4 puts. They're definitely going to try to keep it over $4. They don't want to put all that in the money. So, what's Max paying for this week as well? It's probably $4.50. I'm guessing. It is $4.50. Interesting. Interesting. TP in the building. What up, TP? Eric G, what up? What up, Eric and TP and Jesse? Kevin, LD. What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Good to see you guys here. Benjamin in the building. OG Stepper right there. Right now, AMC is rejecting off 450, so we're probably going to come down to that 432. Let's find out. Let's do some more studying. I wonder if I can get a more detailed version of this. Let's just go for... no, I don't want to ruin this. Let's just try to get a more detailed version. Let's try to go on 1 hour candles. Yeah, let's get the 1 hour candles. It's letting us go back. Let's do bars pattern. Let's get 1 hour candles. Let's take that over. I believe I got 4 hour. Whoa! Did that just happen? That never happened to me before. The hell was that? That has never happened to me before. What was that? All right, let's move this out of the way. Let's get rid of this. Hey! Knock it off. What the freak? All right, I'm going to close some of these. I don't know what is happening. Am I still live? Dude, what is going on? I'm scared. I don't know what to do. I'm scared the computer's gonna cut off or something. Everything's freaking out. Alright, I'm closing all these. I'm closing trading view. Damn it. I don't think this one works as good. This one works way better. What? It's making everything act up. Everything's acting up now. All right. AMC, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Let me know in the comments if you can hear me. Let me know in the comments if you can hear me. Can you hear the lawn care guys? Because they're outside my fucking window. Just using loud leaf blowers. Hey, I'm live in here. It's the exact same shape. Look. You pop up. You come down. Look. It's this segment right here. But it's like on hyper speed. It's way more compressed. And in fact, we are getting a higher low. We're getting the higher low. So I said that it had to be a higher low. It's a higher low. This is it. If we bounce here, guys, and we bounce back towards $5, the fractal is in play. If we bounce, guys, if we bounce, the fractal's in play. If we bounce, the fractal is in play. Doug with the dub. Doug with the dub and his first super chat on the live stream. Doug, I appreciate you, my dude. You know your boy loves seeing them super chats come through. You dig. Let me stop saying that. That sounds bad. I mean, it's the truth, though. Okay, just keep it real. Listen, we just got green MACD on the 5-minute time frame, and if we bounce, y'all, the fractal's in play. If we bounce to $5, the fractal's in play. The fractal's in play. We're about to find out. Travis Stokes with the 99. My man Travis, thank you, dude. Much appreciated. Hey guys, the VIX is going up. The VIX is going up. VIX is going up. VIX goes up. SPY comes down. Keep that in mind. VIX goes up. SPY comes down. Keep that in mind. Bitcoin getting a mega pump. Bitcoin getting a pump right now. Possible inverse head and shoulders type structure here. Bitcoin going to $70,200. Shout out Travis. Thank you for your very first super chat, dude. You the man, dude. AMC bouncing back above $4 or $4.50. I do apologize. Live blooper. Ruben member for 7 months. Ruben been a member for 7 fucking months, y'all. Thank you for the 7 months, Ruben. I appreciate you. 7 months in a row, Ruben has held it down. OG right there. What's good, dude? What's popping with you? All right, guys, so watch out for SPY pulling back. Watch out for SPY pulling back. It's getting crazy in here. We got Ruben in the building. We got Travis in the building. Travis just recently became a member as well. Melissa with the $2.99. Melissa, that's your very first super chat on this live stream. Thank you, Melissa. I appreciate it. You guys are wilding. Why you guys wilding out right now? You guys are wilding right now. You guys are wilding. So SPY, the VIX just went up, y'all. Also, SPY getting resistance here at 531.17. MACD going red on the 5-minute time frame, 10-minute curling down. SPY is starting to build some bearish momentum. Just keep that in mind. We have FOMC coming up here at 2 o'clock. It's going to get wild. And then we also have, sorry, I do apologize, NVDA earnings. NVIDIA earnings here on Wednesday, which is today. So that's going to be huge, guys and girls, ladies and gents. NVIDIA earnings. The market is going to move massively. I had to roll one up. I had to up one. I was like, Melissa, let me find out. I had to up one. Thank you, Melissa. You're the girl. You know, like saying you're the man, but you're the girl. All right, you guys are tripping. You guys are tripping now. You guys are tripping. Ruben with the 2 and AP funding. What up, amigo? I got family out in Georgia, bro. I got family out in Georgia. They live in outside of Atlanta, though. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, AP funding. And Ruben, cheers, brother. Cheers. Thank you, Ruben and AP funding. Ruben and AP funding. Ruben with the 7 months straight and the 2. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, man. You guys are wildin' for real. AMC getting a possible bounce here. AMC getting a possible bounce here. Now listen. Listen very carefully about AMC. AMC just made a higher low, which is what we needed to do. You see how this is a low and then a higher low? We should do that. So we should see something like this. So we should see AMC come up. And there's buy orders all in that range. There's buy orders all in that range where we would be accumulating. This is crazy. I think they know, dude. I think they know. I think institutions are in this. What do you think about ENPH? I didn't even see that part, bro. I just caught that. ENPH. I got you, bro. Hold on. All right, so RSI is getting overbought. I can see that off a rip. You had a strong push-up, possible bottom here. This looks bullish. If you break above 120 and hold this level, so if you hold these levels above 120, you'll definitely see a move to the upside, but you need to hold 120. As long as you hold 120 as support, 118 around that range, 120, 118, as long as you hold those levels as support, you'll see a pop to the upside. This looks bullish. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. The buy orders are right around $4.50 to $4.32. Whoa. You guys are wild. Todd with 5 gifted. And hopefully I say your name right. Rios Manuel G. I apologize if I mispronounce your name. The support and camaraderie here is contagious. Shout out from Coachella. What? You at Coachella right now? That's wild. Thank you for the $4.99. Thank you, dude. You're wild. And Todd with the 5 gifted. Thank you, Todd. 5 gifted. Ace. Dumb Money. Angel Investors. Mr. 55. I always see your name. How you always gifted? And Donnie Davison. You were all just gifted for free. If you were gifted, please thank Todd. Multiple gifted just now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are crazy. Yo, that puts us at 5 brand new members today. We got 390 people in the building, guys. If you want to support the channel for absolutely free, just hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. I appreciate everybody for showing love. Thank you for the support. All right, right now, guys, GameStop is looking pretty bearish. I'm not going to front on you. Check this out. Yo. Weeble keeps freaking out, bro. Yo, Weeble keeps freaking out wild. They're trying to stop the stream, y'all. They're trying to stop the stream. They're trying to shut us down. They're trying to shut us down, bruh. This is the best YouTube ever. Thank you, dude. Or Jesse, you're not a dude. Sorry, Jesse. I'm about to sell GME AMC. Damn, brother. Good luck. I take profits if you need to, man, but everyone has to make their own moves. So this is a potential double top on GME. Right here, top number 1, top 2. And that would take GME back down to that $20 range. I don't think GME is going to break below $20. What's GME's max pain? $20. I don't think GME is going to go below $20. I don't think GME is going to go below 20. And I think AMC is going to consolidate. It's going to take some time, but I think AMC is going to consolidate and then rally again. And so will GME, not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. 10-minute MACD on AMC curling up. AMC is about to get a bounce. And listen, ladies and gentlemen, if we get the bounce, yo, stop. Please. I'm getting in the zone. We should get a sharp bounce is what should happen. We should get a sharp bounce. And if we get a sharp... Oh, man, everything's getting messed up. If we get a sharp bounce... Yo. It's Weeble. Something's wrong with Weeble. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I can use... I don't even know. It says the mic keeps cutting out. It's messing up everything. I don't know. Hold on. I don't want to do that, dude. I don't want to do that. I have to restart the computer. And I don't want to do that. No way, dude. No way. I can't, bro. I don't want to do that. That's what I think I have to do, but I do not want to do that. I'm going to try. I'm just going to keep trying. I think I 100% have to restart my computer to refresh the cache and clear everything out. At the very minimum, if I close down the browser though, I don't know if my stream will end. Because I need to shut this whole browser down to clear everything out. There's an update available for Firefox too. I need to do that. There's not a clear cache button. I don't want to go into this on the live stream. It's messing up instantly. All right, guys, I might have to shut the stream down and open up a new one is what I might have to do here. So I'm going to let the stream play until at least 12. We got about 10 more minutes. Oh, man, this is crazy. AMC currently at 450, 451. We're trying to use 450 level as support, trying to use 450 as support. AMC. It's messing with the viewers and everything because a lot of people just got crashed out. This is not nearly as exciting as Weeble. TMI and STV were both having issues with concurrent viewers numbers this morning. I don't think that will work. Okay, hold on. Maybe it will. I cleared the cache, but it's still messing up. I cleared the cache, but I think the mic's cutting it. Let me know in the chat if the mic's cutting out. Let me know in the chat. It says it's doing something to the microphone. Weeble is. It's not? This is crazy. Okay. That's what I thought. Yeah, Weeble's acting super weird, bro. It's Weeble. I cleared the history and the cache. I cleared everything. AMC's at 451. It's getting that bounce that we're talking about here. So AMC is tracking right now. AMC's tracking with our fractal. AMC is tracking with our fractal. Oh, what? Bro, I just put my history on the live stream. I don't watch that shit. I literally just put the history of my whole history on a live stream, bro. If you have the balls to do that, bro, bro, come on. I literally just flashed my live stream. Yeah, I cleared everything. All right, so I'll try it one more time. This is going to be for today. And now I'll... Because I don't want to shut the stream down if I don't have to. It really sucks shutting the stream down. Instantly. Up, I can't even move the mouse. Anytime I open, as soon as I open Weeble, it messes the mouse up. I hope this doesn't happen all day. It should be fixed as soon as I'm gonna restart my computer. So in a couple minutes, guys, I'll probably have to shut the stream down. Dude, hold on. We have 6 new members. What did I miss? Somebody did a donation. Oh no, and I missed. Bad. How the hell do we have 7 new members? Jesse. I didn't even see Jesse gifted a membership. Hold on, you guys went crazy today. How do we have... Okay, we have 6 new members. Todd gifted 5 and Jesse gifted 1. Jesse, if you're listening, thank you. Shout out AK. Shout out Options Trader. Shout out 7-Eleven. Mike R. Jesse for the 1 gifted. Doug. Thank you, Doug. Travis. Thank you, Travis. Ruben. Melissa. AP Funding. Todd A. And Rio Manuel G. Current price for AMC is $4.52, so it looks like AMC is getting a bounce. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to do. Make sure you guys put your suggestions Put your suggestions in the comments. But here's all the things that I'm going to do to try to fix everything. So I'm going to reset the computer. I'm going to plug my mic into a different USB port. Let me see where my mic's plugged in right now, because I'm going to try to plug it. Sure, that's the camera. Alright, so I'm going to switch that plug with that plug. We're going to squeeze when he restarts his computer. Well, hopefully, I'll explain everything here in a second, y'all. But so I'm having technical difficulty. I'm gonna reset some things. I'm gonna unfortunately have to shut the. I hate this, man. I hate this, but I'm probably gonna have to shut the stream down. I'm gonna try one more time before I shut the stream down, and I'm gonna try to switch ports. But I might have to shut it down. Right now, AMC is hovering at that 450 level. If we lose 450, we'll come down to 432. I'm expecting a bounce off of 445 or 432. Right now, we did retest 445. There's a lot of buy orders down here. As long as we make a higher low, the fractal's in play. And the low is 418. So as long as we stay higher than 418, fractals in play. Oh man, we got 326 people in the building. We did have 390 though before all this bull crap happened. Alright, I'm going to try one more time. I think I need to refresh everything, and that would reset all my settings. All right, y'all. Man, make sure you guys press that like button. We almost got 200 likes. Make sure you guys press that like button. We almost got 200 likes on the video. Yeah, they're trying to shut me down, dude. I think TradingView literally tells you the countdown to the next candle, I think. I think that's what that time is on the side. That's kind of crazy. They only mess with the good ones. Thank you. I appreciate that. You'll come back, pub, but not everyone will. Oh, man. What the hell was that? Not everyone will. This was turning out to be a great stream, too. We almost have 2,000 views already. It's not even 12 o'clock. That puts us on track for like 4,000. We're over 200 likes. We have 6 brand new members. We were on track. We were on track. That's all I want to say. Right now, there is sell orders for AMC here at 450. They're trying to keep it around that 450 level because of Max Payne. SPY has a ton of sell orders here at 530 to 531, 531.30 to 531.50, 531.30 to 531.50 for SPY. If it breaks above that level, you're gonna see a pop to the upside. But SPY just took a dump down all the way to 530.15. That's where the support is for SPY. I'll tell you what, though, if it can't break above 531.50, you're going to see problems, SPY. I don't think GME is going to break below $20. There's so many puts at $20 that they won't let them go in the money. But, and there's buy orders here at $20.50. Because they're trying to keep it above $20. Max Payne for GME is $20. I think it is going to retest financial advice. AMC is tracking with the fractal. Should be getting a bounce here. $4.30. All right, guys, if you can hear this, I'm resetting. If you can hear this, I'm going to reset the live stream. Make sure you guys tune into the next live stream. Make sure you guys tune into the next live stream if you guys can hear this. I appreciate you all. Technical difficulty, we're going to be resetting.